Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Because this is Black History Month, I'm taking the opportunity throughout this week to reflect on some of the Black saints of our Catholic heritage and to call attention to their great accomplishments and to the great witness of their lives for Christ. And so today I want to talk about Saint Benedict the Moor. This is not the Saint Benedict who founded the Benedictine order. This is a different person. Saint Benedict the Moor was a lay brother who was born in Sicily in 1526. He was the son of African slave parents, but he himself was freed from slavery at a young age. The story has it that about the age of 21, he was insulted because of his color, but his patience and his dignity caused a group of Franciscan hermits who saw what had happened to invite him to join them. Eventually, he became their leader. In 1564, he joined the Franciscan friary in Palermo and worked in the kitchen until 1578, when he was chosen the superior of the group. Benedict was known for his power to listen deeply and to understand people, and he adopted the nickname the Holy Moor. And it is said that the simplicity of his life was equal to or resembled that of St. Francis of Assisi himself. And so today we honor and call attention to this great saint, Benedict the Moor. Thank you once again for watching the Daily Message.